welcome to Tweak Inside Academy. So this is our first session of our introduction to the application that I asked us in class to download, that is Canva. So this is the introduction to Canva. This videos also it's how you can use Canva and some features around about Canva. So you can, as we all know, Canva is an application that is posted in what Play Store and App Store. So but advisably or preferably, if you are using an Android phone, you're supposed to use Pixel Lab, or like whereby the iOS users, that is the iPhone users, Pixel Canva. Okay, so mark you, Canva uses data. Okay, so you need to switch on your data and start using the feature. Okay, so let's quickly open Canva and see the secret behind it. So when you open Canva for beginner, just like you open Canva, you need to add your email, sign in with your email, so that all your progress will be saved there. Okay, all your progress or all your design you've been created, when you add that account, it will be saved there. So you will see just a page like this, some templates, ready-made template that are just that you just need to customize to get all the features there are all there. Okay, so but mark you, in this Canva there are lots of like design you can edit, but I'll be teaching us the basics. When you know the basics, you can even edit template here, because there are different type of template. There are some working template in this Canva, but I will just start by telling us how we can make our own from scratch. So you can see there are a lot of template that you can edit as a graphic designer here and earn money. But before you even do so, there are some terminologies or keys point to know. So you can see some buttons here like home, project, template, and whereby you will see Pro, because I'm already using Canva Pro, as I told us on the gift I gave everyone there how they can get Canva Pro. Okay, so just click on this purple sign in order to start designing from scratch. So you can see some suggested sizes or dimensions of the design. These are some selected that they have already created for you guys. Unlike Pixel Lab users, Pixel Lab users need to know the image size before start designing, whereby here there are some designs that are stable here, just as mobile video. You can see the size is here, presentation, Instagram post, logo is already square, you can see it here, document, invitation card, wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail. So you don't even need to bother yourself. You can see for flyers, also for photo codage. So this is how the size is. You need to take your size first, but if assuming I have given you my size, I don't want you to use any of this size, you can click on custom size and write that preferable size you want to use. Okay, so let's click on custom size. Let's write our custom size. As I told you, standard flyer size is 650 by 800. Okay, this is in pixels, don't forget this is in pixels. So when you are writing anything, maybe in centimeter, you need to indicate if it is millimeter or inch or any other. So in pixels, the standard flyer size is 650 by 800. So just start to create that design, and it will load the template with it will load the page with that standard image size. Okay, so let's wait, because it depends on the network. Okay, depends on the network. So this is the worksheet or work you will be given to design that particular flyer. Okay, so you will be seeing like some menus like this. Okay, you will be seeing some menus like this. The first one is designs, that is the template that you will be editing. Just tap on it and see. You can see you will be seeing a template. You can even search for the template you will be using. Let me say if you are looking for logo template, you can search for logos. You will be seeing the template. Let's search and see logo. Okay, when you search for logo, you can see animated logos and any type of logos. Let's start logos. Which logos? Let's start and let's start an example with animated logos. So you'll be seeing a template of animated. You can see they can't even find the template with animated logos. Okay, so let's just forget it. I think you all knows or you get what I'm pointing out. So you can see these are just templates. You can tap on anyone to edit. Maybe let me say a food flyer, and you will see some flyers that are related to food. Okay, so this is it. You can see food posters, food menu, so you can edit all this, as you can see. So we are not after that. So the next button or next icon is element, and the element is used to add shapes. Okay, add element, icons, shapes, and other things. You can search, because you are online, you can search for anything. You don't even need to go to your browser or Pinterest or any other site to get your icons. Maybe say WhatsApp icons, logo icons, or any other. You don't need to go there and look and start looking for. So you can already search it, or you can search it from this. Okay, just click on the search element and search for that particular. Let me say if you are looking for a line, you can just search for line, and you can see different type of lines. So you just need to select that particular line. You can see lines. Okay, so this is just it. There, I think I explained this element, and you can see you can search for text. You can add text. Okay, you can add text, the headings, subheading, and anything. So you can see some custom fonts also available that you can use them. Some passion points. You can also go to your gallery here and import the images. Okay, you can go to your gallery and import your image in the design. Okay, so these are how we can use this element. Okay, and this text is also for adding of text, as I already explained before. You can click on maybe a heading. Okay, just click on a heading, and you can see the heading now appears here. So you can use your hand to either drag it or any place. So when you type a font on a font or a text, you will be able to change the font. As you can see here, you can make it the style, the font, the color, and the boldness, line spacing, effects, animation, transparency, that is the opacity, layers, position. Using this notch, you can either move it. Okay, so this is just some exciting features about this that you need to know. You can see the font. You just select the font for this text. Okay, so let me select this and see. So let's use this font and see. You can see the font change. Okay, so you can tap on this H style, and also let's make it subheading. You can see heading. Okay, so you can also go to I explained this. You can also go to your size, okay, and edit it like this, or you can manually use your hand to edit it here. Okay, so you can go to your color and change your color. You can click on this first blue and locate to that first color that you use. Let's say this color. Then you use your other hand and move it to this place, to the place you want to pick that particular color. So you can see how to add colors. So to deal with the background, entire background color, just tap on the background. You can see it has selected it. So go to your color if you want it to be a color. Okay, just go to your color. Let's make it blue. If it is not blue, tap on this clicker, go to that portion of the color you want. Okay, so if you want black, just go scroll down here. You can see black. If you want white, just take it to this portion. You can see white. Okay, if you want green, just go here and select whether you want a light green or nothing or other green. Okay, you can also import a background from gallery. Click on here, replace, and go to your gallery to import that background. Okay, so it is also very simple to use. Okay, so I think these are some basic things you need to know about Canva. And you can save your design by clicking on here. Just click on save as image. Okay, this is all the basic things you need to know about Canva for beginners. and in my next video I will show us how to start designing from scratch. Okay, how to design some flyers using a Canva. Okay, so you can see it will automatically render your design and save it to your gallery. That's how it works. Okay.